Fundamental Rights, Directive Principles, and Fundamental Duties Complete UPSC Guide. 1. Right to Equality, Articles 14 to 18. Equal Protection and Equality Before Law, Article 14. Every person is treated equally before the law. No discrimination, Article 15. The state cannot discriminate based on religion, race, caste, sex, or birthplace. Equal employment opportunities, Article 16. All citizens have equal access to public employment. Abolition of untouchability, Article 17 declares untouchability a punishable offense. End of titles, Article 18 prohibits awarding of titles except academic and military distinctions. 2. Right to freedom, Articles 19 to 22. 6. Freedoms, Article 19. Citizens enjoy freedom of speech, assembly, association, movement, residence, and profession. Protection in criminal laws, Article 20. Safeguards against arbitrary conviction. Right to life and liberty, Article 21. No one can be deprived of life or liberty except by law. Free elementary education, Article 21A. Education is a right for all children aged 6 to 14. Safeguards against detention, Article 22. Rights of arrested individuals, especially in preventive detention cases. 3. Right against exploitation, Articles 23 to 24. Ban on human trafficking and forced labor, Art. 23. Child labor prohibited, Article 24. No child under 14 to work in factories or hazardous jobs. 4. Right to freedom of religion, Articles 25 to 28. Religious freedom, Article 25. Practice, profess, and propagate any religion. Manage religious institutions, Article 26. No religious tax, Article 27. Freedom from religious instruction, Article 28 in certain educational institutions. 5. Cultural and educational rights, Articles 29 to 30. Protect minority culture, Article 29. Minority educational rights, Article 30. Establish and manage their own institutions. 6. Right to constitutional remedies, Article 1932. Supreme Court access. Citizens can directly approach the SC for enforcement of their rights via writs like habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, quo warranto. Pushpin rights exclusive to citizens. Protection against discrimination, Article 15. Equal opportunity in public jobs, Article 16. All 6 freedoms, Article 19. Minority education rights, Article 30. Rights for citizens and foreigners, except enemy aliens. Equality before law, Article 14. Safeguards in criminal cases, Article 20. Right to life and liberty, Article 21. Free elementary education, Article 21A. Protection against detention, Article 22. Anti-trafficking and child labor, Articles 23 to 24. Religious freedoms, Articles 25 to 28. Directive Principles of State Policy, Part 4, Articles 36 to 51. DPSPs are non-justiciable guidelines for the state to ensure social and economic justice. Inspired by the Irish Constitution. Small Blue Diamond Key Directives. Article 38, Promote welfare of people. Article 39, Equal livelihood, gender equality, child protection. Article 39A, Equal justice and free legal aid. Article 40, Organization of village panchayats. Articles 41, 43B, Right to work, maternity relief, living wage, promotion of cooperatives. Article 44, Uniform Civil Code, UCC. Article 45, Early Childhood Education. Article 46, Promotion of education and interests of SCs, STs. Article 47, duty to improve nutrition and public health. Article 48, organization of agriculture and animal husbandry. Article 48A, protection of environment and forests. Article 49, protection of monuments and heritage. Article 50, separation of judiciary from executive. Article 51, promotion of international peace and security. Mnemonic: welfare and justice for villages and workers, uniform law for kids and SC cent, healthy. Fundamental duties, Article 51A. Added by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment, 1976, inspired by the USSR. These duties are moral obligations of every citizen. Small Blue Diamond 11 duties include: respect the Constitution, national flag, and anthem. Cherish noble ideals of the freedom struggle. Uphold sovereignty, unity, and integrity. Defend the country and render national service. Promote harmony and brotherhood. Preserve rich heritage of culture. 7. Protect and improve the natural environment. 8. Develop scientific temper, humanism, and spirit of inquiry. 9. Safeguard public property. 10. Strive for excellence in all fields. 11. Provide education to children aged 6 to 14, added by 86th Amendment.